Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. The hitching tie knot. This knot is tied by passing a rope around an object, forming a loop, passing the end around the standing part, passing a bight through the loop, and then the end of the rope through the eye of the bight to secure the knot. This is a holding knot which will hold permanently but may be easily loosened and untied. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.